he has to be put away. You know, he can't try to wiggle out of this. I guarantee you, he was going to do it again.
That's Phil Vetrano, father of murdered Queens jogger Karina Vetrano, speaking in our exclusive interview on Monday about Chanel R. Lewis, the 20-year-old who is now in police custody after detectives charged him with Karina's murder, which happened August 2nd. Now, police, they've called the encounter between Lewis and Karina chance, random. 10 minutes difference from Karina leaving her home to jog, or 10 minutes difference from Chanel Lewis getting on the path to go to Howard Beach could have meant these two never met and Karina's death might never have happened. I wanted to learn more about Lewis's state of mind from someone who would know, and I wanted to see if the criminal profiler put together by profiler John Kelly added up. So I spoke to John Kelly on the phone this morning.
It's what's called an anger retaliation rapist.
Okay.
And an anger retaliation rapist hates women.
Now, police were led to Lewis by the memory of an alert lieutenant who remembered a suspicious person call from May that involved Lewis allegedly skulking around the Howard Beach area with no reason to be there. John Kelly said that's typical of predators who sometimes scope out the area ahead of time.
They just don't go right out and kill. They scope out the area, they make sure the area is safe.
I wanted to know more about Lewis from someone who would know him best. So I went to a slightly different neighborhood from Howard Beach, Queens. I went to Brownsville, the area of Brooklyn where Chanel Lewis's father, Richard Lewis, lives. Richard Lewis is a retired high school principal, an immigrant from Jamaica. He's proud of his family. He says that they're public servants, they're nurses, his son's a cop in Jamaica. He didn't want to go on camera, but he showed me Chanel's high school diploma, where he graduated from a school for troubled youth, to show me that his son has an education. Richard Lewis has said he doesn't believe his son killed Karina. John Kelly doesn't mince words. He says that even though we believe Chanel Lewis has not killed anyone before Karina Vetrano, Chanel Lewis was a budding serial killer.
There's no way that this guy was ever going to rape again and not kill.
What will the Vetrano family do now that Chanel Lewis is headed towards trial? They raised over $280,000 for reward money during the 6 months that the case was open. And Phil Vetrano said he wants to give all of that to charity and establish a legacy in Karina's name. Now, Chanel Lewis's next court date is a status conference on February 21st. We'll keep you updated between now and then. For all updates on the Karina Vetrano case, follow me at Chasing Zidane and follow the show at Chasing News.